In this video, I want to talk about how you can order on AliExpress. So you can do this from the PC or you can use the app for this. But all you have to do is simply find anything that you like, head over to the product page. And once you're on the product page, you just want to add it to the cart or you can press buy now. Now you can select size and everything here and you can read the order details if you scroll down and the reviews and everything. And then what you simply want to do is once you've clicked on these, it's going to be added to your cart. Inside of your cart, what you want to do is just select the items and press checkout. This will take you to the checkout section where you're going to add your card or whatever payment method you're going to use. And once you've done that, you just want to fill in the information, pay, and your shipping address and all this stuff, and then you have ordered the item. After that, you can get over here to my orders and you can find the items that you've ordered. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.